Oh, okay, so I waited a couple minutes. I applied more tape in the meantime, especially with the wind. I was getting a little spray over here. So I would say if you're an amateur painter like me, and on a almost no wind day, I would say probably about 5 or 6 inch and a half. What is that? Like 9 to 10 inches away. Tape all the way around at 9 to 10 inches just to prevent the spray from getting on other stuff. Other parts of your car you don't want it to. Okay. Okay, so second coat. For some reason there's like rows of it look darker than others. Maybe I got too much on there. Maybe I didn't get enough there. Not really sure. Yeah, not really sure. Maybe it's just the Bondo showing through. I don't know. At any rate, it says apply like 2 or 3 like that. So I'm gonna wait another couple minutes and do another one. We'll be back.